are going to do our little snack, especially now that you're home and doing schoolwork online. Sometimes you'll get hungry. What I found that's really neat and easy is making sloppy joes. All you need is a can of sloppy joe, 1 or 2 depending on how big of your family you have, your siblings. If you have leftover meat, it can be hamburger meat. I have hamburger meat here for tacos. You can also use chicken. You can shred the chicken, okay? Or if you have pork also, you can make sure you shred your pork. Okay, it's got to be cold. All you do is open up your can of sloppy joe mix. A good idea for you guys is if you're at home, maybe with an older brother or sister, have them open the can up for you. You can use a crock pot, okay? You can pour maybe 2 of these cans into the crock pot, put it on low or on hot. Once it starts to simmer, then you get your ground up hamburger meat, okay? You're going to put it into your crock pot. Remember, the sloppy joe mix is in there already. Again, chicken tastes good with the sloppy joe mix. And you're going to mix it. See, I'm mixing it. And this is already warm because I put it in my crock pot. Okay? Once it's mixed, you're going to get your hamburger buns. If you have any hamburger buns, if not, regular bread will work also. If you want to, you can toast your bread. Put it in the microwave, just warm it up a little bit. And there you go. You put your sloppy joe mix with either hamburger meat, shredded chicken, or pork. And you can add your potato chips or a salad, whatever you would like. And that's it. It's easy. All you need is your crock pot or a baby fryer. Just the meat, your sloppy joe, and your buns or your bread, and that's it. I hope you have a good day and take care of yourself. And remember, always wash your hands. Wear gloves when you're going to be cooking. And stay safe, and don't forget to wear your mask. Goodbye.